What's up and welcome to another video. I'm making this video today to show you how you can get paid almost every day from Amazon by requesting payouts, not using Payability, not using any of these like payment processing services that charge you a fee, just using Amazon. If you're not aware, Amazon pays out, I think every 2 weeks, whatever money is available. The reason I'm making this video is I was processing all these books here from yesterday's haul. And someone DM'd me and they were like, hey, how do I get my money from Amazon? Do I have to wait or can I request it or how does this work? So I thought I'd make a really quick YouTube video, nothing fancy, no special DSLR cameras, just on my computer. And so let's jump in and look at this. You will start by logging into your Seller Central account. And when you log in and put in your password and all that, this is the screen that pops up right here. You can do this from your phone. I do this from my phone. Every single day. I don't very often do this from Seller Central desktop, but I will show you how to do it from the desktop. And then the phone is just simple. You just, same thing, sellercentral.com or sellercentral.amazon.com, log in, and then you are basically on the same screen. First thing you're going to do is go down to your payment summary, and you're going to click that. I have $630 in my account right now. This is all pending because these are items that have sold and then shipped over the past 9 days, and they are now just waiting for that to process. The way Amazon works with this is they pay you out, I think, every 2 weeks, whatever money is available in your account. If you're looking to scale your business, you do not want to wait 2 weeks for that. So you can go on here and you request transfers every single day. Obviously, your bank account is set up by this point, and all your tax information is put in so that you can get paid. You can only do one transfer every 24-hour period. So what I do is I will request transfer. I already did it this morning, but you hit request transfer. It'll take you to another page where it says, do you want to confirm to request the transfer? You say yes. When I click on it, it's going to say, you've already done this. You can't do it more than once in 24 hours. So we'll click on that. You can see right here, you cannot disperse more than once in 24-hour period. So I think, I don't know what mine was, like, I want to say like 30 or 40 bucks today. Yesterday it was 40. The day before that it was 155. It just depends on what has become available with the items that you have sold. So when you get to this point, if I had not already requested today, it would have a little box right here that says request transfer. You click it and then it says transfer submitted. What I do is on my phone, after I request the transfer, I wait for the confirmation email to come through. I look at the timestamp on that, and then I set an alarm for the next day 1 minute later. So this morning it was like 7:34 a.m. when I did the request and got that confirmation email. So I set the alarm for 7:35 tomorrow, so that I'm doing like 24 hours and 1 minute. I'm requesting every single time and getting paid out. Some things that will get in the way of this is if you have returns, that will obviously knock the price down or knock the payment amount down. And also when you do shipping, if you do like $50 worth of shipping, it's going to come out of that amount in your Amazon Seller Central account. That $630 that I have, I'm going to do some shipping today. It'll probably be $50 or $60 worth of shipping. So that's going to knock that down. I won't have that money coming in because it's covering the shipping. Hope that makes sense. Hope this has been a helpful tutorial. So once again, let's just go right through the steps really quick. Seller Central desktop, hit view payment summary. It brings up this page, request transfer. You can request it. If you are allowed to take that disbursement, it'll have another button that says request transfer. Boom, you hit it and it will send you something. If there's nothing available to be sent, if there's no money available for you to disperse, it'll say your payout is $0.00. I hope this video helped you and that it had value for you. The way to scaling these Amazon businesses is by dumping that money back into it as fast as possible so you can grow. Waiting 2 weeks is kind of a difficult thing to do. And then obviously when you're starting out, you don't want to be paying that 2 to 5% to something like Payability, where that's just kind of like drawing more money out of the pot for you to reinvest with. If you like this video, if it helped you, I'd really appreciate the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, it'd be cool if you did that, and maybe click the notification bell so that you're notified when I post again. Yeah. And then on Instagram, @IamWoolsey. go there and then yeah, DM me if you have any questions, and it could turn into a tutorial video to help other people. All right, cool.